Hello Tech Explorers, want to delete a contact in Telegram? It's super easy and I'll show you how in just few simple steps. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and select a contact you want to delete. Once you open the chat, look at the top right corner for the sidebar icon. Tap on it to open the user info section. Here, you will find the option to delete contact. Tap on it. A confirmation will pop up. Tap delete again to confirm. And the contact is deleted. Have you ever deleted a contact by mistake? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a contact in Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.